Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and use free PSD text templates from Freepik. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Freepik, and what you want to do here right at the top in the search bar is you want to go ahead and type in 3D text. Let's hit enter, and here you will see all the 3D text. Now, as you can see, they already have specific or particular words that are written, and there's two ways that you can actually go about this. Now, if you are using Photoshop, you can actually go ahead and just directly download this as a PSD specifically for Photoshop, and then you can change what the text says within Photoshop. So all you need to do is, let's say this Black Friday sale, let's click on this and you'll have the option right at the top here to download, and it'll say PSD. Now, if you download it as a PSD, you can import it directly into Photoshop and use it there and create your own wording with this text effect. But let's say you are not using Photoshop, let's say you want to do this here and download it as a JPEG, you can do the exact same. Now, this Black Friday sale over here, you want to go ahead and click on Edit with AI, and it'll give you a couple options here. Let's go and say Edit with AI. It'll open up a new window, and here you can literally change whatever you want about it. So let's go and say, change the text to free stuff sale. All right, now you can go over here and you can choose what model you'd like to have used, also the amount of images that you would like to have generated if you are just generating an image and not making any changes. You can also describe or edit your changes as a prompt. You can also click and comment to edit, and then you can also use the camera option. All right, so let's go ahead and send. You can see now that the changes have been made, and quite simply, all you need to do here is click on save, and it'll now be saved, and you can download this as a JPEG or a PSD file.